Imagine embarking on a journey that millions dream of, a journey that cleanses the soul and unites people from all walks of life. Welcome to Hajj, the annual Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca, the holiest city for Muslims. Hajj is not just a journey, it's a mandatory religious duty for all capable Muslims, a pillar of Islam. Every year, millions of Muslims converge on Mecca, showcasing unity and submission to Allah. The pilgrimage dates back to the time of Abraham, with rituals reformed by the Prophet Muhammad. Pilgrims wear simple white garments called Ihram, symbolizing purity and equality before God. The journey begins with Tawaf, walking 7 times counter-clockwise around the Kaaba, the house of Allah. Pilgrims then perform Sa'i, running between the hills of Safa and Marwa, reenacting Hajar's search for water. Next, they drink from the Zamzam well, a miraculous source of water that appeared for Hajar and her son Ishmael. On the 8th day of Dhul al-Hijjah, pilgrims head to Mina, where they spend the night in prayer. The following day, they proceed to Arafat, standing in vigil and seeking God's mercy. This day, known as the Day of Arafah, is the pinnacle of Hajj, symbolizing the Day of Judgment. After sunset, pilgrims move to Muzdalifah, where they gather pebbles for the stoning of the devil. On the 10th day, they return to Mina to perform the symbolic stoning, throwing pebbles at 3 pillars. This act commemorates Abraham's rejection of Satan's temptation. Following the stoning, pilgrims sacrifice an animal, marking Eid al-Adha, a global festival of sacrifice. Men shave their heads and women trim their hair, symbolizing a new beginning. Pilgrims then perform another tawaf, known as Tawaf al-Ifada, showing their eagerness to respond to God. The journey continues with more stoning rituals on the 11th and 12th days of Dhul al-Hijjah. Before leaving Mecca, pilgrims perform a farewell tawaf, bidding goodbye to the sacred city. Many also visit Medina, praying at the Prophet's mosque and other holy sites. Hajj is a profound spiritual experience, offering self-renewal and a reminder of the Day of Judgment. It unites Muslims from diverse backgrounds, fostering a sense of global brotherhood. Despite modern challenges, the Saudi government ensures the safety and comfort of pilgrims. Technological advancements like e-bracelets and smart apps enhance the Hajj experience. Hajj also has a significant economic impact, contributing billions to Saudi Arabia's economy. The pilgrimage has evolved over centuries, from camel caravans to modern air travel. Environmental concerns are addressed with initiatives like Hajj without plastic to reduce waste. Crowd control measures have improved safety, though challenges remain with large gatherings. The COVID-19 pandemic brought unprecedented restrictions, limiting pilgrim numbers for safety. Yet the spirit of Hajj endures, a testament to the enduring faith and resilience of Muslims. Join the millions who have made this sacred journey and experience the heart of Islam. Hajj, a journey of faith, unity, and renewal.